Have you ever captured a photo that didn't feel right? You remember the moment clearly, the lighting, the emotion, the atmosphere. But when you look at the image later, something feels missing. The camera captured the scene, but it failed to capture the experience. This frustration is something almost every smartphone user faces today. And this is exactly the problem artificial intelligence is about to solve. By 2030, AI will completely transform smartphone photography, not by making cameras sharper, but by making them smarter. Your phone will no longer wait for you to press the shutter. Instead, it will anticipate your moments, understand your intent, and help create photos that match how you remember them. Right now, artificial intelligence is already deeply embedded in smartphone cameras. Phones like Google Pixel can remove unwanted objects with a single tap. Samsung devices can restore old or blurry images using AI-powered remastering. Face detection, night mode, HDR optimization, and color correction all rely on machine learning. This phase of photography is known as computational photography. In simple terms, the camera captures an image first, and then AI steps in to improve it. It fixes mistakes, enhances details, and adjusts lighting after the moment has already passed. But while these features are impressive, they are still reactive. The camera responds after the photo is taken. The future, however, is moving towards something far more powerful: predictive photography. By 2030, smartphone cameras will no longer behave like passive tools. They will act like intelligent assistants. Through advanced neural networks, AI will analyze the scene before you press the shutter. It will understand what you're photographing, how the subject is moving, what the lighting conditions are, and even how you usually take photos. Future flagship devices from brands like Oppo and Honor are expected to use this technology to offer real-time guidance. The camera might subtly suggest a better angle. It may adjust framing automatically. It could even predict the exact moment when expressions, motion, and lighting align perfectly. This goes far beyond choosing the best shot from multiple frames. The camera becomes an active participant in the creative process, guiding users in real time to achieve the perfect image. Photography, for the first time, becomes a collaboration between human and AI. One of the most revolutionary changes AI will bring is intelligent scene reconstruction. Instead of simply recording light, future cameras will understand the scene as a whole and rebuild it digitally. In low-light environments, AI will reconstruct missing details rather than just brightening noise-filled images. In fast-moving scenes, motion blur could disappear as neural networks merge data from multiple moments. Dynamic range will feel closer to human vision, preserving both highlights and shadows naturally. In some cases, AI may even generate missing elements, filling gaps where the camera sensor couldn't capture enough information. This raises important ethical questions. When does a photo stop being real? And when does it become an AI-generated interpretation? Yet at the same time, this technology unlocks unprecedented creative freedom. Photography will no longer be limited by hardware constraints, only by imagination. Perhaps the most exciting change will be how deeply personal photography becomes. By 2030, AI will learn your unique visual preferences. It will recognize the colors you love, the moods you gravitate toward, and the overall style that defines your photos. Whether you prefer cinematic tones, soft minimalism, or vibrant high-contrast images, the camera will adapt automatically. Each photo will feel consistent, intentional, and unmistakably yours. This concept of hyper-personalized visual styles removes the need for manual editing or endless filter selection. Your phone will understand how you want your photos to feel, not just how they should look. Photography becomes effortless, yet deeply expressive. As we move beyond 2030, the role of photography itself may change. AI will blur the line between capturing moments and creating experiences. When combined with augmented reality and holographic displays, photos may evolve into immersive visual stories rather than static images. Professional photographers will not disappear, but their role will shift. Creativity, vision, and storytelling will matter more than technical mastery. The real question of the future won't be, how good is the camera? It will be, how intelligently does it understand you? Smartphone photography is no longer just about megapixels or lenses. It's about intelligence, personalization, and storytelling. By 2030, AI won't just help us take better photos. It will help us preserve memories the way we truly experienced them. Now I want to hear from you. What do you want from the future of smartphone photography? Perfect memories, creative freedom, or full AI-powered storytelling? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's imagine the future together.